beautiful angel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. Today's video is about this beautiful, sexy, sultry pop of color. Well, it's not really a pop of color, it's a bold look. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. So if you do like what you see and you want to see how I created this look, make sure to keep watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell so you're notified every time I post new bomb videos like this. And yeah, if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a like. And with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. Hey guys, I'm going to start with my Fenty Beauty ProFilt'r foundation. I'm going to contour my face using my e.l.f. cream contour palette, and I'm just going to take this dark cream contour. That's not dark enough. I'm actually going to take the darkest. And for concealer, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. For today's look, we're going to be using the Morphe 35 Emboss palette. I just cleaned it up, it was a whole mess. If you haven't seen my review on this tutorial, feel free to check it out. I'm just going to leave a link to the video on the screen. I'm going to be playing with some oranges. I'm going to first start by using this really bright orange. We're going to define the crease using this eyeshadow. This one's darker and it's kind of like a reddish orange shade. I'm going to switch over to a less dense blending brush. And I'm just packing that onto my eyelids as well. And next I'm going to cut my crease and I'm just going to apply some concealer. And I'm going to apply this glittery orange shade onto my lids. I'm just going to spritz my brush. And using the pointed brush, I'm just going to go back into the crease color. And I'm just going to use that to define my cut crease. I'm just going to go back with a blending brush. And I'm just gonna blend the crease. And I'm just gonna take that color again, just a tiny little bit into the lid color. You just want a nice transition at the end. So far we're looking good. We're looking like a hot, spicy Cayenne pepper. I'm just gonna go back in with the orange. I'm just gonna reapply that just at the very top, on top of the crease color. And I'm going to go off camera and apply my lashes. These lashes are from Huda Beauty Lashes. This is a Noelle number 14. So, I went off camera, I applied my lashes, and I pretty much just applied like a thin eyeliner just to kind of hide the band of the lashes. To finish up my under eye, I am going to go in with, let's use the very first orange. And I'm just going to mix in the crease color as well. To finish up the eye look, I'm just going to apply some mascara. Okay, and just because I can't get enough of the orange, I'm going to take the same orange shade and I'm going to apply that to my waterline. Yes, it's probably a crazy idea. I think it would really help the look. Okay, and it's barely visible. It's barely visible, but I think it looks good. So yeah, I'm just gonna touch up my brow bone. I'm gonna take this color here. Dust off all the fallout and the excess setting powder. This is from Juvia's Place. This is their loose highlighter, and this is the Royal one. A little bit goes a long way. I may have excessively applied this highlighter, so I'm just gonna stop here. I feel like we could totally play it safe and apply some nude lipstick, but I really want to go all in, so I am actually gonna apply a pop of color to my lips. I'm gonna be using two Colourpop lipsticks. This one's from the collaboration between Ellarie and Colourpop. This one's called Sessy. It's a dark red lipstick, and I have this one from Colourpop as well. It's called Starcrossed. I'm gonna start with Sessy. I'm gonna apply Starcrossed. Hey guys, so this is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This look was totally unexpected. I would definitely take this look to the bank. Not sure what that means, but let me know what you think. Would you rock it or not? And if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. We're almost at 400 subscribers, guys. Like, I am so happy. Thank you so much, you know. And thanks to all of you who participated on the last giveaway. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate all the love and all the support. Thank you guys so much. I will catch you in my next one. Bye.